Hi everyone and welcome if you're new here. My name is Kat and this channel is for everyone who wants to learn and improve on their public speaking skills. So let's go. Today's topic that I would like to speak about is how to help a shy child gain confidence. So here are some tips that you could try as a parent or a teacher of a shy child. All right. Number one, don't intervene. Right? If they are speaking, let them speak. Let them finish what they're saying. And then if you want to give some feedback, you can do so. But do stay nearby when they're talking. So they want to know that you're there. All right? Okay. Prepare them for new situations. What you can do is what I've done personally with my children is I always ask them when we go to a restaurant, when we go to a shop, I encourage them. Go and ask for the bill, go and ask for the spoon, say thank you. I tell them. So they go out of their way to do it and they gain confidence that way. All right. And number 4 is actually very important. Lead by example. What do I mean lead by example? If somebody asks you to say something, like say a few words about somebody, or go and ask something, and you are like, oh no, it's okay, I don't want to do that. It's okay, I don't. So and when your child sees that, the child goes like, oh okay, my parent doesn't want to speak, so why should I? So don't do that. Lead by example. All right. Number 5, do not push things too quickly. If they just started learning, or they just started reading, or they just started going for some public speaking classes, don't just push them. Okay, go to a stage of 200 people or 1,000 people. Go and speak. Go. No, don't do that. All right. Also, it helps when you talk about a time where you felt anxious or nervous or shy. So they know that they are not alone. All right. And the last, do not force it. All right. Help them with their journey. Send them for classes. Practice at home with them. And, have small family speaking times. Ask them about their day and all that. So let them speak up. Do it slowly. Do not force them and say, okay, you've gone for this class, you have to go and speak on a stage. When you do that, they just stop and panic and they just don't want to do it anymore. So don't do that. So I hope this video has helped you, will help you. And bye-bye till we meet again. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something useful and enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, leave a comment below and tell me what you think about public speaking or what topics you want me to cover next. Thank you for watching and see you next time.